Yes, good morning, students. I hope you all are good. So yesterday we started a little bit of introduction of chapter number 1. That is, what is the name of the chapter? Food. Where does it come from? I hope my screen is visible,
Yes, ma'am, your screen is visible.
right? Yes, Yashvi Madan, you wants to say something?
But the font is not very clear, ma'am. Maybe some problem in the chalk.
Okay,
Good morning,
I
ma'am.
will try to
मैम
invite you.
नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम आ रही है.
But your network
Beta, please
problem.
don't unmute yourself. Wait.
Am I clearly audible?
मैम there is a network problem from my side. थोड़ी.
It's from your side, na? So then you have to wait, be patient, it will become stable. Don't worry. Okay, so yesterday I had given you one activity to do. Have you done that? Have you completed that table? You all must have your books with you. Open up your books and keep pencil also in your hand. Okay, you all must have your books with you. I hope you have bought your books. So yesterday I was telling you about food. So you know that we all eat food and food is very important for us. Why food is important? Can anyone tell me? You can raise your hands if anybody wants to answer. Yes, Manvi Chopra. Ma'am, your video is not visible. Priti ma'am, is it not visible?
It's visible, ma'am.
Okay. But then it might be problem at your end. You can keep your video off if you are facing any network issue. Yes, Manvi, unmute yourself. Or Preeti ma'am, please unmute her.
Um, the food is very important for us because without food we doesn't live.
We cannot live. We doesn't live me. We cannot live without food.
We can.
Why do we can? Why do we means? Why can't we live without food? What food gives us? What does food give us?
Because because without food our body doesn't get energy.
Yes, that is the main thing. So what does food give us? Food gives us energy. Food gives us energy, and without energy, we cannot do any work. So I asked you yesterday that what did you have in your breakfast, and you told me so many things. So you can see that we have so many varieties of food to eat. Okay, and one more thing I told you that the same thing we cannot eat every day. Okay, that will be boring, and moreover we will not get balanced diet. Our body will not get proper vitamins and minerals for the proper development of the body. So that's why we should eat a variety of food. We should eat fruits, vegetables, milk. So many varieties are there in food. Okay, and I told you what not to eat also. Somebody said yesterday, ma'am, maine shole bhature khaye. Okay, so that comes in fried, which is not healthy for us. So once in a while, it's okay to have when you're having outing or something, but every day it's not healthy to eat fried food, junk food, right? So see the table 1.1. Before that, I'll read you. So you must concentrate in your book. What did you eat at home today? Find out what your friend ate today. Did you eat the same kind of food yesterday and today? So it is not possible. We eat different food every day. So we all eat different kinds of food at different times, isn't it? Yes. So activity 1 says, that ask your friends in the school about the items they would be eating during a day. See if you can also get this information from friends staying in different states of India. List all the items in your notebook as given in table 1.1 for as many friends as possible. So table 1.1, what is there? Table 1.1 says that what do we eat? So what you have to do here, name of the student or friend. I told you that you can ask anyone from your family, or you can call up your relative, you can call up your friend and ask them that what did they eat in a day. Has anybody done that?
Ma'am,
You can share.
excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, we have to make this table in a notebook.
No, who said that? No need to. I told you yesterday what you have to do in the notebook. Have you written PT1 syllabus?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you have to write PT1 syllabus, and I just told you to complete this table 1.1, which is there on page number 1 in your book. Only that's it. Nothing else to write. I have not shared any worksheet yet. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Yes, so anybody who has completed this table 1.1, anybody wants to share the answers? You can
Ma'am, I
raise
have
your hands.
complete.
Okay, I'll ask.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Okay.
I have completed.
Yes, Padma.
Ma'am, your screen is not visible.
Ma'am, I have done.
But it's visible at our side, maybe network issue at your end. You keep your video off. Yes, who can tell? Okay, yes, Gurnaz.
Ma'am, yes, it is not clearly visible.
What is not visible? Yes, am I audible?
Actually, ma'am, the network is not that much good. So in between, your voice start cracking.
You are
Okay.
So few things which you were sharing with the students were missed.
Okay, so I'll repeat again that if anybody has completed table 1.1 and wants to share what they have written. Okay, Geetika Agarwal.
Ma'am, done.
Geetika, can you share?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Tell me what you have written in table 1.1.
Gitika, veg sandwich, Janvi, dal roti, Danish,
You have
aloo
written of
prantha.
yourself only what you have written.
No, ma'am, more friends.
Okay, so there's one more Geetika.
No, ma'am, me.
Okay, okay, fine. That's what I'm saying. Na? You have written of your own. Okay, fine. So you have written of your own what you eat in a day.
Yes, ma'am.
What have you written under the column food items eaten in a day?
Janvi, dal
Fast,
roti,
fast.
Danish, aloo prantha.
Repeat.
Gitika, veg sandwich, Janvi, dal roti, Danish, aloo prantha.
Okay, and next, number 2. There are 3 rows.
Ma'am, only 2 rows.
Only 2 rows are there in my book. There are 3 rows. Three.
No, ma'am, name of the student or friend or food items eaten in a day.
Yes. Okay, fine. So I think I can see so many hands are raised. So I think all of you have written something in this table. Okay, that's good. So that is very important that all the activities which are given in the book, we have to complete. Okay, so anytime offline classes can start. So whenever you will come offline in the school, so I will check your book that whether you are completing the activities or not. Fine. So when we have completed this activity, so what do we came to know that there are so many things that different people eat different food on different days. Okay, so that means we have different varieties of food. So there seems to be so much variety in the food that we eat. What are these food items made of? So I told you that why food is important. First of all, so can anyone define food? What is food? We all know we eat food, but what is food? Can anyone define food? So food is, you can say, any nutritious substance that we eat. Okay, so you need to write also what I'm telling. So any nutritious substance that we eat.
Ma'am, we have to write in fair notebook.
No. Only write in the book only. Nothing to write in the fair notebook yet. In the book only, you can write on the top any nutritious substance that we eat to get energy, that is called food. Okay. So next, you know that we eat food to get energy and we eat food to prevent our body from diseases also, because food gives us so many of vitamins and minerals that prevent our body from infections and diseases. So when we eat food, we all like to eat tasty food. Okay, we don't like to eat boring food. Okay, so what are the things that makes our food tasty? That are called ingredients. This is given in your book also. Underline this word. On the second column, first page, second column, in the bold, it is written ingredients. So underline this word. Ingredients are needed to prepare a dish. Okay, so you should know what are ingredients. So when we make any dish, so the things, the
Ma'am,
substances
your
which
voice
we
is not
need
coming.
to make the food are called ingredients. So if I ask you, can you define ingredients? So ingredients, you can write any substance or the substances. These are the substances that are used to prepare any dish. For example, if I ask you that if you have to make dal, so can anyone tell me what are the ingredients that will be used in preparing dal? Okay, Manya Gupta.
Ma'am, can I?
Yes. Anyone can tell me what are the things, which are the substances that we need to prepare dal?
Can I?
Ma'am,
Okay, yes.
can I?
Shriyan Gupta.
Ma'am, water.
Can I?
Only one student will speak at a time, because otherwise then we will not understand anything. Okay, I'm asking Shriyan Gupta.
Yes,
Yes, Shriyan.
ma'am. Ma'am, pulses, water, salt, oil, ghee, and
Yes.
spices.
Okay. What do we need? We need pulses. First of all, that is the main dish. Okay, दाल बनाने के लिए दाल तो चाहिए. So we need pulses. Okay, it can be any gram. It can be green gram, black gram. Okay, so then we need what? Spices. We need water also.
Water.
Okay, so these are the things which we need to prepare a dal. Okay, dal is a dish that we will eat after it is cooked. So the substances which are used to prepare the dish are called ingredients. Again, I am repeating the word. This is ingredients. So clear? Yes, very good. Yes. So Karman is writing in the chat box, makki ki roti with sarson ka saag. Okay, that's
Ma'am,
good.
please repeat the definition of ingredient.
Repeat, what did you say?
Ma'am, the definition of ingredients.
Okay, can you repeat? Okay, you want me to repeat the definition of ingredients? Okay, definition of ingredient is the substances which are used to prepare a specific dish. The substances which are used to prepare a specific dish are called ingredients. Okay, and why do we use ingredients? Because see, there are two categories of ingredients. One are basic ingredients. Basic means ki without them we cannot prepare that dish. For example, if you are preparing dal, so we need to have pulses. We need to have gram. That is a basic ingredient that without that we cannot prepare dal. But if we add spices, that are called flavor enhancing ingredients. ठीक है, जो दाल को ज्यादा टेस्टी बनाते हैं. Okay, definition of food is any nutritious substance. Don't worry about the definitions, we will share. Okay, just listen and understand, that is more important. Okay, try to understand the things and enjoy it. So food is any nutritious substance that we eat in order to get energy or for the proper development of the body. Okay, ingredients are the substances which we use to prepare a specific dish. And I'm telling you that why do we add ingredients? One are basic ingredients that without that we cannot prepare that specific dish. For example, if I say to prepare palak paneer, okay, so for that, for palak paneer, what are the basic ingredients? Palak and paneer. So palak and paneer are the basic ingredients. Without that, we cannot prepare that specific dish. But if you add spices to it, that will be flavor enhancing ingredients. Okay. Now next thing is, see activity 2 in your book. If you have any doubt, you can ask in this up to till here. Any doubt in food or ingredients? Anybody? If any doubt is there, then only raise hand. Otherwise, you can lower your hand. Yes, Shriyan, any doubt is there? Shriyan and Kapish. Yes, be fast. Okay, I think no doubt now left. Kapish, okay, fine. So if when I ask you anything, then only raise hands. Otherwise, there is option of lower the hand also. Okay. Okay, fine. Now let's see activity 2. Activity 2 in your book, I'm going to read. Choose some of the items you listed in table 1.1 and try to find out what ingredients are used to prepare these. Okay, by discussing with your friends and elders at home. List them in table 1.2. Some examples are given here. Add some more items to this list. Now see what is table 1.2. Understand. Table 1.2 shows some food items and their ingredients. कि कुछ food items they have shown and their ingredients means which are the substances of which they are made up of. Like first one is roti or chapati. We all eat roti and chapati every day. Okay. Now, do you know that what roti is made up of? Roti we make from, it is written here in the book only, atta and water. Okay, so these are the basic ingredients to make roti or chapati, that is atta and water. But if you want to eat missi roti, okay, then you will add spices into it, you will add onion, coriander into it. So that will be flavor enhancing ingredients. Okay, next is dal. So what do we require to prepare dal? We need pulses, water, salt, oil, ghee, spices. So all these things are required to make dal. Clear? So now you know that for preparing any specific dish, we need ingredients for that. Okay, so ingredients are the substances that are used to prepare a specific dish. Okay, so till now we are talking about food. Now you tell me that what are the sources of food? Means different varieties of food are there, so many varieties are there, but what are the sources? From where do we get food? Can anyone tell me what are the sources of food?
Ma'am, plants.
Yes, very good. Only plants?
Ma'am, animals also.
Ma'am,
Animals.
Yes, very good. So we have two
Ma'am,
sources
plants and
of
animals.
food, that is plants and animals. Now can you tell me which products you get from plant or which kind of food we get from plants? Anyone? You can raise your hands. Yes, anyone?
Ma'am,
Food items we get from plants.
Ma'am, rice.
Okay, rice.
ma'am, wheat.
What else?
Pulses,
Ma'am,
cereals,
Yes,
Ma'am,
fruits,
pulses.
cereals. What else?
Ma'am, wheat, fruits.
Yes,
fruits and vegetables.
vegetables.
Ma'am, wheat,
Vegetables.
Then we get fruits also.
wheat.
Plants.
Okay, so these
And
are
grains.
things which we get from plants. Okay, we get pulses also.
Ma'am, wheat.
Wheat comes in cereals only. Sorry,
Radish.
grains
Ma'am, wheat.
Ma'am, turnip.
come in grains.
Ma'am, fruits.
Fruits I have written. I have written. So rice, cereals, vegetables, fruits, pulses, grains. So all these we get from plants. Now can you tell me which type of food we get
Ma'am,
from
milk.
animals?
Milk.
Ma'am,
Milk.
Milk and
Meat.
Ma'am, meat.
Then
Meat.
meat products.
Milk
products.
Ma'am, meat.
Fish.
Fish products.
Fish is kind of meat only. Yes.
Fish.
Yes.
Excuse
These
me,
are the
ma'am.
main category that we get from animals. So now we came to know what?
Ma'am, honey. Honey.
So yes. So now we came to know that there are two sources of food. Two sources of food are plants and animals. Now see the next paragraph.
Ma'am, mainly.
What? So see, we have these two sources of food, and what are they giving us? They are giving us ingredients to make the food, to prepare food. Okay, so if I ask, a question can be there that from where do we get the ingredients? So we get ingredients from plants and animals. Here we get the ingredients from plants and animals. Now see, I'm going to
Excuse
read
me.
this 1.2
Excuse me,
in
ma'am.
your book.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
मैम जैसे मैम अगर इंग्रेडिएंट्स का मैम जैसे गिव टू एग्जांपल्स में मैम प्लांट्स के मैम इंग्रेडिएंट्स लिखने प्लांट से तो मैं उसमें मैम फ्रूट्स तो मैम मतलब पका के नहीं खाते ना वो तो मैम
Why we can prepare? आप जूस नहीं पीते हो? You don't have juice. You don't have smoothies. You don't have cakes. There are some dishes in which we use fruits also as ingredients. We can eat them raw also, or we can prepare something from the fruits also. So they can be used as ingredients. Okay, if you prepare a mixed fruit juice, so then you will take so many fruits together, and then you will blend it, and then your juice will be prepared, and you will add some salt and spice also to make it tasty. So then what are your ingredients? Your ingredients are fruits, spices that you have used. So it can be used as, so fruits can be used as ingredients also. Okay, now see, I'm going to read this paragraph 1.2 from your book. It may be easy for us to guess the sources of some of the ingredients that we listed in table 1.2. So fruits and vegetables, for instance, where do they come from? Fruits and vegetables, where do they come from? I told you the sources. Plants. You may have seen paddy or wheat fields. What is paddy?
Rice.
Yes, very good. Yes, paddy is rice. So paddy or wheat fields with rows and rows of plants, which gives us these grains. Okay, you know food grains. Which are the food grains? The food items which we get in grains, like wheat. Okay, wheat is used to prepare atta. But before making atta, these are grains. आपने देखे कभी गेहूं के wheat grains? Have you seen wheat grains? Anybody?
मैम यस मैम
Yes.
उसको पीस
So
के मैम आटा बनाया जाता है
yes, very good. So we
Ma'am,
have
yes.
to. Yes. So before making atta, these are grains. Okay. So food grains that we get like wheat, rice grains are there, wheat grains are there, and then there are food items like milk, eggs, meat, chicken, fish, prawns. What are prawns? Anyone?
Ma'am,
Have you heard?
Seafood.
Yes, very good. So prawns are seafood. Seafood means what? What is
Fish.
seafood?
ma'am, which we get.
Fish.
The food which we get from sea animals. Okay, so prawns are also small sea animals which can be used as food. Okay, but you have to cook them first. Prawns are there, then fish is there. Okay, so these can be used as food. Then what is beef? It's written here prawns. You have to underline. See, when I'm telling you the meaning, you underline that word in your book and write down the meaning. Okay, these are small sea animals. Write down there. You must know. All of you should know what are prawns. So underline this word prawns and write small sea animals. Okay. And then beef. The next word is beef. What is beef?
Ma'am, cow.
Shop cow.
Yes,
And
the
cow
flesh
meat.
of cow, or you can say cow meat is called beef. Not in India, but in some countries, people eat beef there. So BEEF, beef, underline beef and write cow's meat or flesh of cow. That is called beef. Next word is pork. What is pork?
Ma'am,
मैम ये
pig.
कहाँ पे लिखा है?
It is there in your book on page number 2. Page number 2, 1.2, paragraph C, food materials and sources. Under that, last line. Chicken, fish, prawns, beef, pork, and such others which come from animals. So these
Domestic
all come
pig.
from animals. Okay. So what is
Domestic.
pork? What is pork? P-O-R-K.
Domestic pig.
Flesh of pig.
Pork.
Domestic pig.
Okay. The meat of pig. People in some countries, in Muslim countries, they eat pork. They eat pig meat. So the meat of pig, or you can say the flesh of pig. The pig meat is called pork. Can be asked in 1 mark question, what is pork? What is beef? So pork is pig meat and beef is cow meat. Clear?
Ma'am, what are prawns?
Prawns are small sea animals which can be eaten as food after cooking. Okay. Small sea animals are there. They also are rich in vitamins and minerals. Clear? So I told you now that what are the sources of food. So we have plants and animals. So plants and animals, they give us different types of food that I've already mentioned. Plants gives us rice, cereals, vegetables, fruits, pulses, grains, and we get milk, eggs, meat from animals, and moreover we get chicken, prawns, beef, pork also from animals. Clear? Now see the next activity, activity 3 in your book. Now this is your homework for today. Table 1.3. Understand now what you have to do here. Table 1.3 is ingredients used to prepare food items and their sources. Now we have covered ingredients and sources also. Two topics we have covered, ingredients and sources. So now you know, okay? So now if I say, okay, I have dal here. Okay, if I write that what are the ingredients which I want to prepare dal and what will be the sources of that ingredients. So what is the first thing that I need to prepare dal? That is pulses. Okay, and from where do we get pulses? From where do we get pulses? We get pulses from
Plants.
मैम ये हमने कहाँ पे लिखना है? मैम ये हमने कहाँ पे?
This I am just telling you as an example. Okay, this is an example to make you understand that what is there in table 1.3. So table 1.3, it is given the same thing which I have told. One food item is written. See in table 1.3, the first food item is idli. Have you eaten idli? Who likes idli here? I like idli. Anybody else
Ma'am.
like idli?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Fantastic, likes idli. Very good.
Ma'am, I like.
Can you
Ma'am,
tell
I
me
like.
this idli is of dish of which state? Of
Ma'am,
which
I like.
India?
Ma'am, South Tamil Nadu.
Yes, South Indian food. it is. Okay, Saksham is saying, ma'am, I don't like idlis. Okay, no problem. It is your choice.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
मैम इसमें मैम सॉल्ट भी लिखा है सॉल्ट का सोर्स हम वाटर लिखेंगे मैम मतलब
I will tell you. Wait, one I will tell you. Chicken curry and kheer that you will write on your own. Okay. So first food item is idli. And which are the ingredients that are used to prepare idli? That is, we need rice, urad dal, salt, and water. Okay. These are the ingredients. If if you don't know about urad dal, ask your mama. Anybody knows what is urad dal?
Sambar.
Yes, very good.
Yes.
You can ask your mother if you don't know, because you know mother is expert in the kitchen, so she can tell you better about all these ingredients. Okay, so idli is made up of rice, urad dal, salt, and water. Now these are the ingredients. Okay, now the next column is of sources. Now first is already written. Rice we get from rice from plants.
मैम आपने एक्सरसाइज 1.2 करा दी है मैम एक्सरसाइज 1.2
Exercise table 1.2 is done. Food items and their ingredients already written. One you can add on your own. Two are already written, na? Roti and chapati and dal. Only one row is left. In that you can write any of your choice. Food item you write and ingredients you can write. Okay, that is very simple one. Now see table 1.3, I am telling you that idli is made up of different ingredients like rice, urad dal, salt and water. And what are the sources from where we get these ingredients? So we get rice from plant, urad dal, from where do we get plant? Yes. So then here also you will write plant. You can write down now. You have pencil with you. So under sources, you will write that we get urad dal also from plant. Next is salt. From where do we get salt?
seawater
Yes.
Seawater.
Salt from
seawater
sea. Yes. So if anybody has ever been to beach, or have you ever tasted the seawater? How does it taste like?
yes salty
It is very salty. You cannot drink it. Okay, it is not suitable for drinking. So only you can get salt from the seawater by the process of which process is involved in getting the salt from the seawater? Can anybody tell me?
Distillation.
then desalination plants
Distillation. means
Distillation.
It is a simple process
Distillation.
by which water becomes water
distillation.
vapor. Can you tell me the process? I'm giving you the definition. You tell me the name. The process by which water is converted into water vapors.
Evaporated by sunlight.
Yes, very good.
Evaporation.
Yes, evaporation. So simple. Near the beach area, they just dig small pits and then they let the water settle down in it, and then after some days the water gets evaporated by sun, and what is left behind, that is the salt. Okay, so this is how salt is extracted from the seawater. So okay, now you know salt. From where do we get salt? What is the source of salt? That is seawater. And next is water.
Nature.
Oh, yes. Here it is the water which we drink, the fresh water that we get from where?
Soil. Nature.
Yes, very good. Nature. Because water is a natural resource.
Soil.
Natural resources are which we get from nature. So write nature here. So first one I have told you, second one and third one you will do on your own. That is your homework. Second is chicken curry and third is kheer. Okay, fine. Now see, so what do we conclude from activity 3? That we will discuss later tomorrow when you will be done with this activity. So you know that plants are the sources of food and ingredients like grains, cereals, vegetables and fruits. Animal provide us what? Underline these lines here on the next page, which I am reading. Second line, plants are the sources of food, ingredients like grains, cereals, vegetables and fruits. Underline this line. Animals provide us with milk, meat products and eggs. This also. Then cows, goats and buffaloes are some common animals which give us milk. Now here one more thing I want to tell you. What are milk animals? Can anyone tell me?
Ma'am, milk giving animals.
Yes.
Milk are called
Very good.
Ma'am,
This is the term. Milk
Ma'am, milk.
animals are those animals which gives us milk. Examples can you give? Cow,
cow, goat,
Ma'am, cow,
ma'am,
goat,
cow,
buffalo.
goat, buffalo,
Goat.
goat, buffalo. Ma'am,